Good morning, each and everyone. How are you all? I'm also fine. So today I would like to introduce myself. Would you like to listen me? Okay, so let me start. I am Ankit. I am from Chidawa, and now I tell about my qualification. I am doing graduation from Chidawa College, and nowadays I am learning English from EBI Institute. EBI. And now I tell about my family. My father's name is Sasikant, and he is shopkeeper, and my mother is a housewife. And if you have any queries regarding me, you may ask.
What are your achievements?
My achievements are I have done 12th class and I have done 10th class. These are my achievements.
What is your goal?
My goal is to get a private job.
What is the struggle according to you?
What?
What is the struggle according to you?
Okay. According to me, struggle is that the type of hard work we are doing for get a thing. According to me, this is struggle.
Why you don't want a government job?
Because it's my personal reason. I don't want to share with you.
What is the difference between successful man and unsuccessful man?
Okay. The unsuccessful man has got many types of learning skills, but the successful man who had pride, so he also want to do some more, but he cannot do.
What is success according to you? What is the meaning of successful people?
What is the mean of success? According to me, the mean of success is that a man who do hard work for achieving his goal. That is success.
What are the advantages of planting trees?
Planting trees. Okay, the advantage of planting trees is it gives us oxygen, and by the trees we can live our life easily.
Tell us about Indian democracy.
Sorry, I don't know about it.
Tell us not global.
Don't know that. Speak loudly, please. Okay, I think my family is my life, and without family I cannot do anything.
And what is your strength?
My strength is that I am an attentive person and I can speak against class.
What is the eco-friendly system?
Hmm?
What is the eco-friendly system?
The eco-friendly system, I don't know it properly, but I think it is. I don't know.
What do you think about next lockdown?
I think next lockdown will be appear for after some time.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is playing games and talking with friends.
Tell us about our environment.
Our environment is very good, and this environment is best for learn and learn something and study.
Which type games do you like?
The types of game I like indoor games, like I play games in like PUBG and many more games.
You are addicted in PUBG.
Yes, I am addicted to PUBG.
How to decrease the pollution?
I think we should not increase pollution in the society. I think we should not increase the pollution in the society. So, and we should not drive vehicle in excess level.
Tell us about your favorite sport person.
I have not any favorite sports.
How do you celebrate your next year? How do you celebrate?
I will not say I will not celebrate my next year because I want to study now.
Tell me about what's the difference in ego and attitude. Ego and attitude, what's the difference?
Okay, I think ego is pride of a person, and the attitude is also pride of a person.
What type of job do you want in private sector?
I want to a job like first I want to go in foreign country.
What do you think about social media?
I think social media is a medium of reach our talk to the whole world.
What are the disadvantages of lockdown?
Many types of disadvantage of lockdown, like many labor and many men cannot afford to take food.
What are your skills?
Another lockdown is necessary.
What are your skills?
My skills is that I can learn English and I can speak English.
Do you think that another lockdown is necessary?
I don't think another lockdown is necessary for us because many types of men are not able to afford their food. So I think.
What is your opinion about frontline worker? What is your opinion about frontline workers in a COVID situation?
I don't know about it. Okay, so we have shortage of time, so I think I should leave. Thank you.